painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I am glad you're here. I'm glad to be here as well. We're going to be doing some painting. We got three nice little canvases here, and you know what? I'm not sure. I think they're 12 by. Let me measure them. They are 8 by 24. Really nice size canvas when you're doing a trifecta or whatever the heck it's called. We're using some yummy colors today. Our base coat is already down. Our base coat is Artist Loft White, and it's mixed with a new pouring medium. I'm using the Golden Gloss pouring medium, and I mixed that with Floetrol. We're about 50-50, and I did have to add some water to these paints because the golden pouring medium is thicker than the GAC 800, but that's okay. Let's talk about our paints, guys. We've got some yummy colors. We've got some more of the Artist Loft Black in this cup. In this cup we have golden, the Q word, Nico Azo Gold. I don't say that word. It's a hard word for me. In this pretty cup right here, we have the Rust-Oleum Champagne Metallics, and that's some leftover paint. I got in the mail today all those wonderful paints, the Modern Masters that were on sale at Michael's for $3 a jar, and this is the Antique Bronze. Right here we have DecoArt Satin Enamel, and this is the Gray Taupe. All these paints are mixed with the same pouring medium, including the Satin Enamel. What's in this cup right here? Oh, I'm sorry, this is the Antique Bronze by Modern Masters. This was leftover DecoArt. What was this? This was the Rich Expresso, guys. I'm sorry, I'm using up some leftover paints. And wait till you see this color right here, guys. Oh my gosh, shimmery goodness. Sweet Leslie from ColourArte. That is the Prizm Pour Ceylon Cinnamon. And I am sorry about the glare, guys. That's my black canvas below. It'll go away soon. But can you see that? Can you see that yummy perfection? Leslie, once again, you rock my world. Now, this is the only paint that is not mixed with my pouring medium. This is recommended that you mix it with water. So my Prizm Pour is mixed with water. Sorry about that glare, guys. I'll post a picture of all these paints for you to see them. I have my Tracy Reed handy dandy split cup. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 chambers. And I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to load this baby up and I'm going to work it and then we're going to tilt it. So we're playing. One of my favorite things to do, guys, and I'm always glad when you join me here. Hey, a quick little reminder. This weekend, join me and so many wonderful, talented artists for our Pour the Love. It'll be on Saturday and Sunday, the 13th and 14th. At the end of the video, I will post the information of who goes at what time. Join us. It'll be live. You'll be able to talk with us, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to have some good conversations with my painting peeps, guys. So this weekend, Pour the Love for Valentine's Day. I'm excited. Let's put some tunes on, guys. Let's get busy.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm answers under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and